Hello, traders. FS Pep Collector here. Today is Monday, October 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpepcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So, anyways, euro dollar this month has been very, very bearish for the euro dollar, and it definitely makes you think that it is going to go down, maybe make a wave C before it does go up. But we're going to have to see how this monthly candle closes because I'm definitely still not going to rule out the possibility that this does go up and either make an expanding flat wave C or a running flat wave C. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. Now, on the weekly time frame, it definitely did break structure to the downside several weeks ago. So, I mean, looking at that, you would kind of think that this is now a double three pattern, like 1, 2, 3 down, 1, 2, 3 up. That usually would lead to a pretty strong five-way pattern to the downside, but probably looking something like this before it actually does end up continuing back up. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this trend is definitely down ever since we broke structure to the downside several weeks ago. We definitely have been looking for sorts. This first move down, I would definitely call either a wave A or a wave 1, and there's still no evidence that this wave A or wave 1 is over, and there's really nothing stopping this thing from doing something like this. So just keep in mind that the trend is your friend, and the trend is definitely down right now, which means that for me personally, I am doing nothing but looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. For me, my structure level is still way up here because that's the last end of a correction. These little structure levels right here, if and when those structure levels break, that does not tell me that this whole trend is over. These little structure breaks right here only tell me that this last wave of the trend is over, not that the whole trend is over. So for me, I'm definitely still only looking for shorts until I get that break of structure way up here. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So like I was just explaining on the 4 hour time frame, these structure breaks right here, if price breaks that structure, that does not tell me that this whole trend is over on the daily, that the wave A or wave 1 is complete on the daily. These smaller structure breaks will only tell us that this last wave is over. So I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. This move up is definitely impulsive, so I would think that it would probably be an A. I would expect this move down to be a crutch into this move up, probably like a wave B. Now, be cautious because sometimes what we think is a wave B will actually just keep on trending down. And the trend is down on the roadmap time frame, so we should definitely be looking for shorts in a downtrend. I would kind of expect to see some sort of an ABC, maybe up to a Fibonacci level before it really does continue back down. But either way, the trend is down on our roadmap time frames. So for me personally, as more of a swing trader, I am definitely looking for three-way pullbacks to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.